Hello, future developers. So, welcome to the continuation of our pandas COVID dataset analysis or uh, analysis. Okay, so let's try this. Trying to find the mean, the max, and then standard deviation of our dataset. Okay, so what I can do is this is based on the describe method that we use. Describe. Where is it? Describe. We use describe. Describe. So the describe. So now instead of we getting the whole, we want to let's access each and let's say we want to access the counts, the mean, and the likes. So to do that, we will just have to do df dots. So first, let's do with the mean. Let's shift enter. So there's the minimum value for each column. Okay. Then let's try df dot max. Let's see. This is the max value for each column. Okay. Now let's do df dot let's see which is should we do std standard deviation. Let's do the mean. Okay, so the mean, okay, for each column, df dot std, so standard deviation. So those of you who are coming from the maths or statistics background, I think you should know what standard deviation and mean, max, and the likes mean. Okay, so um, each other one, do we do counts? We've not done counts. Okay, so let's do that for the count. Df dot count. Parentheses, shift enter. So there's a count for each and every column. So these are the values. Okay, so the counts for the full region, cases, cumulative,